going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartell, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the brand new Skullcandy Ounce Bluetooth speaker. This is an ultra portable Bluetooth speaker. Now the cool thing about this, ladies and gentlemen, Skullcandy, like I said in some of these posts I've made on Twitter, LinkedIn, all these other websites and social media sites, that Skullcandy is releasing some bangers. Now, a long time ago, I think even before I was here, Skullcandy did release some speakers, and we actually reviewed them. But I actually get to review the speakers this time with Skullcandy's new line of speakers. The Skullcandy Ounce is their entry-level speaker. They have the Kilo, which is their next budget speaker. The Terrain, which is similarly priced. Mini. The taller Terrain, full Terrain, which is $60. The Terrain XL, which is even bigger. And then we have the Barrel, which is their top of the line bonkers Bluetooth speaker. So we get to start off from the bottom. Now this is Skullcandy's newest Bluetooth speaker, and I want to give a big heavy metal shout out to Lucas from Skullcandy. Thank you so much for your support. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot more from Skullcandy coming soon. Now, the one we actually reviewing, unboxing for you today is the blue and black version. Now, the cool thing is, it's big sound, that's easy to stash and all that stuff. Bluetooth 5.3, built-in carry strip, USB-C charging port, 16 hours of battery, IPX7 waterproof, the whole kit and caboodle. It's feature lightweight, worry-free wireless, the whole kit and caboodle. And the really cool thing is, it's ultra portable and rock solid. Now, let's go right into the product itself, and let's take a look around the box itself. So, once again, I want to give a big shout out to Lucas Moore. Sorry if I got your name wrong, but big shout out to Lucas. Big shout out to everyone at Skullcandy for all these years of you guys' support. And with my health going on, we still have more to do with you guys. We ain't done yet. You guys keep releasing bangers, we still keep unboxing and reviewing them with Techno Warriors TV. Now, here's a look at it. Skullcandy logo on the top. The Ounce Bluetooth speaker here. Ounce XT, big sound, easy to stash. Okay, it's got in Spanish. We got bazillion Skullcandy logo thingies here. And then a big giant Skullcandy logo right here. And then there's it on the back. It tells you some of the features. We got 16 hours of battery, IPX water resistance, USB-C, Bluetooth 5.3. And this is actually what it looks like on the back. Now, like I said, they are very environmentally friendly with the 100% recycled packaging, which is really cool. That way it can save on the environment. I'll go ahead and get this all off for you. Thank God I have got my long nails. Alright, now that we got that taken care of, box sort of got a little boo-boo, but it's nothing to cry about. Make sure. Oh, we got a couple more straps holding it down here. Okay. Yes, thank God for long nails. Okay, now that we got that done, ladies and gentlemen, here's what it looks like right off the bat. You're going to get a giant Skullcandy logo. Whew. Okay, we have another Skullcandy logo on top of that. The Ounce here, here's what it looks like. As you can see, it looks very sharp. Look how small it is. And that's some pretty serious power. It is actually about the same size as a Skullcandy. Like, it's exactly going to be exactly the same as a Kilo. Kilo might be a little bigger. Anything else right there? Now, in this, we get a couple items. We're going to get a sizable USB Type-C port. A USB Type-C cord. We're going to get literature. And I like this, some Skullcandy stickers. That's pretty cool. So as you can see here, we do have a QR code that shows us how to use the product, guides and stuff. It's in various languages. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is what we get in the package here. As shown in the picture, we're going to get so ladies and gentlemen, we get our Skullcandy ounce Bluetooth speaker. We get various manuals and guides, and a good sizable USB Type-C cable, and some stickers. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the unboxing of the Skullcandy ounce Bluetooth speaker or portable speaker. Be sure to be sure to stay tuned for the full video review coming soon to Techno Warriors TV. I want to give a big shout out to everybody who's watched us over the years. We've got more coming. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, so we're about to give away that Fortnite Chapter 4 Battle Pass, which is going to be especially great for the Fortnite OG season. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give a big shout out to Lucas from Skullcandy. I want to give a big shout out to everyone, including our editors, our various employees, including Wally, Chance Cole, Mackie, Donham Daly, and Mark Bennett, and everyone else on the team. Also want to give a big shout out to a couple fans out there. Everyone who's liked the channel, followed us, all that fun stuff, recent followers. And I'd like to give another big shout out to Rucker and Ezra, and also Jill from Sandy, Utah. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. You like that, you hit that like button if you did. Ladies and gentlemen, alright, ladies and gentlemen, so much for watching this unboxing video of the Skullcandy ounce Bluetooth speaker. If you like this video, you know to hit that like button. If you like this video, hit that dislike button. If you did not like this video, and if you adored it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Have an amazing Veterans Day.